Warning: this language learning app mistake could cost you years of progress.
Welcome, everyone. Language learning apps can be a powerful tool, but only if you use them correctly. A simple oversight could cost you years of valuable time and effort. I remember feeling so excited when I first downloaded a language learning app, but after months of using it, I realized I wasn't making the progress I expected. It turns out I was making a crucial mistake that many others fall victim to. Let's learn how to avoid these common mistakes. The mistake we're focusing on today is relying solely on language learning apps without combining them with other learning methods. While apps like Duolingo can be useful for boosting vocabulary, they may be ineffective regarding context and interaction. Paul Nation, an expert in vocabulary acquisition, states that we need to encounter new words 15 to 20 times on average to retain them. Different sentences and contexts and creating personal stories strengthens our ability to memorize words. Relying solely on language learning apps can lead to stagnation in your language learning progress. Vocabulary and grammar require practice to be mastered, and apps often lack the necessary context and interaction to facilitate this. Hiring a tutor or combining multiple learning methods can provide the necessary context and interaction to strengthen your language skills. To avoid this mistake, it's crucial to diversify your language learning approach. Combine language learning apps with other resources such as textbooks, online tutors, listening practice, and real-life interactions with native speakers. Consider paying for a good tutor who can provide personalized guidance and feedback. Immerse yourself in the language by watching TV shows, listening to music, and engaging in conversations with native speakers. By diversifying your language learning approach, you'll strengthen your vocabulary, improve your grammar, and enhance your overall language proficiency. Multiple learning methods allow you to practice all communication skills, including reading, writing, listening, and speaking. Immersion in the language through authentic materials and real-life interactions will accelerate your progress and help you achieve fluency faster. Remember, language learning is a journey, and it's important to avoid common mistakes that can hinder your progress. Relying solely on language learning apps is one such mistake that can cost you years of progress. Combine multiple learning methods, immerse yourself in the language, and seek out real-life interactions to accelerate your language learning journey. Stay motivated and keep learning.